Welcome back to Hanthorn's Performance. This just said I have 52 things saved on here. That's weird. We're going to have to look into that. We have a Vulcan. It's a little crowded in here today because I'm lazy and don't feel like moving everything around. That guy. Vulcan. 650S. Needs a service. And I want to do a ride and review on it, but I got to order an audio recorder to keep in my pocket because the connection for my GoPro has permanently shit the bed because that's my life. So instead of doing a ride and review, I'm going to probably post y'all up while I'm working on it and talk about the bike and how I feel about it. So I got to do some prep work. Obviously, as you see over there, I have a transmission in my drain pan. And on my motorcycle lift. But we got that guy. And we put spools on when we got home. So, stay tuned. Like the video. And then when you're finished, comment and tell me how bad I am or how good I am or if you learned something. And then after you watch the next one that comes up at the end, subscribe. So service time. Step 1, operate vehicle up to some sort of warm. Step 2, grab beer. Step 3, garage companion. Step 4, take oil cap out of bike. Cap out of bike. You can install your funnel now if you want to. I do because if I don't find it before I do the job, I'm going to be searching for it when I got to put oil on the fucking thing. And then on the Vulcan S, we have a spin-on filter at the front, tightened by hand, and a 17mm drain plug right here. Right behind the kickstand. We'll do the oil drain shot. It's getting kind of dark though. Ta-da! Still looks pretty good. As it should. I think it's got about 3,000 miles on the oil change. Alright. That's a Vulcan 650S, as we covered. We have an oil pan, and we have a funnel. The oil caps on the seat, along with my nicotine. Don't ever do that. It's not worth it. I'll go over this bike a little bit. This here, luggage rack I put on. Same thing with these bags. I don't know if there's a video of that. I don't think there is. I think that was back before all of the videos and stuff. It's a good customer's bike. I've ridden it a couple times. To be honest with you, I'm kind of a fan of it. Kawasaki's has really good gearboxes, and good gearboxes make me happy. It's nice and positive and stuff. Today we're going to do an oil change. We're going to look it over, see how everything's doing. Front tire seems to be wearing a little funny, but it's factory tires, so that's part of it. And it looks like we're going to put a charging port on it that looks really goofy. We're going to see how that goes. The wife is hiding off in the corner. So like I said, I've ridden this I almost called it an SV650. I've ridden the 650S a couple times, and to be honest, quite the fan of it. I hate forward controls. That's about the only complaint I really have about it. Other than that, it's peppy for what it is. It flips from side to side real good. And it has adequate brakes, which I learned this morning when somebody tried to hit me. Seat's kind of trash, though.
I mean, most factory seats.
It's early in the riding season. My ass just might not be broken yet. But man, was it kind of stiff to ride. Okay, so we have this guy. There is not a lot of room in this neck. We're trying to figure out how this thing comes apart. That's an 11. It's not going to be 11. It's for sure going to be a 10. She's going to be over here. Ooh, I have a 10 on that impact right there. I'm tearing apart this trans. The wife's here, but I don't think she's ridden the bike yet.
This one?
This one.
No.
No, you should do that. It's a good bike.
I've only ridden the SB and
Yeah. Okay, so that came out very nicely. Does that mean anything? Ooh, there's like little side grommets in this plastic. Just like that. And then does that just come up? Ooh. I figured it should because the airbag's probably under here. Probably have to pull this top cover off to get like in it. Wrong size. I knew better. But yeah, it's geared kind of good. Takes off quick. If you ride it like a slow bike, like I've ridden, what was that, Rebel that I rode? Yeah, the Rebel. And shit, if you like shift a lot too fast, or if you ride it like a Harley and fucking realize it doesn't have a lot of low, like power in the low range at all, which is like normal for shit that's not Harleys. But this thing gets like real unhappy around like 2,000 RPM. If you're cruising at like 50 in like 6th gear, it's like back in fifth. Yeah, it's like fucking go down. I was trying to keep it slow riding with Devin today.
Yeah.
And that's how I noticed it. I'm really surprised how well those Viking bags have held up.
They don't shoot really anywhere.
Yeah, they've been on there for a couple of years. I mean, she stores it inside and stuff, but...
It's still been out in the wet.
Yeah. Yeah, she does have the same bad habit of I do, of being caught in the rain. Ooh, look, front bolts. It felt very front bolty. Oh, fucking beautiful. Okay. So we're gonna go right up the side here with that dude. And then we're gonna plug this dude into that dude. Since she doesn't use her trickle charger anyways.
It needs to be shortened anyway.
What?
The trickle charge? Or are you taking it all the way out?
No, I'm putting it up under here. This thing she bought to charge phones.
Yeah.
Fucking plugs into a trickle trigger connector. So, I'm stealing it because she doesn't use it.
Shortcut.
She's like, I need you to install this, and I was looking at it, and I was like, she doesn't use that thing.
And even then, you just unplug it in theory for the winter.
Yeah. Just gotta get it routed some sort of way that I want to. Oh, just go through there. Why is that so? Oh, because it's a metal bar. With a metal hook in there. Right where I want to put this. Oh, there's a hole. Perfect right there. Stupid. You want to go through here. And then through there. Like this. And plug that into that guy. Like that. Got to be all stupid again. This. And plug that into that guy like that.
Did the CF Moto do its typical first ride of the season?
It really didn't. It was actually quite chill with oneself.
That's good.
Which is weird for it, but
It's also a little bit warmer now than...
usually when we get it out, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll be able to zip tie all of that correctly.
I think it was still like 55 degrees when I took it out the first time last year.
Zip tie all of that correctly. We'll slip this through like that. Usually she's pretty pissed. The first one of the season, but she was very relaxed, which is good. But it's got really good Dakota gas in it still, so.
Does that have something to do with it?
The last time she was ridden was in a better place.
I think I took it out a couple times after that. I took it to work a few times, but it doesn't use any gas.
Then you switched over to using the Suzuki.
Yeah, the Suzuki one.
Fucked my tires up.
I'm sorry.
They're square as shit. It's okay. It's mainly just the front one, and that's not anything to do with you. It's to do with age and factory tires.
It's also just a straight ride to Ashland.
Yeah.
There's like 2 curves.
So these things, you like pull it. God damn. I was looking at it. You like pull it out, and then you slide it up, and then there's your ports.
Is it like an attempt at weatherproofing?
I'm guessing so. I have no idea. But it looks pretty snazzy, for being honest.
It's different.
Alright, so we're going to need to keep that part tight, and then have some slack. We'll match that wire there, like that. So, zip tie party.
Woo. I have no idea where I put them.
Alright, well that's enough hearing me ramble on about nothing. Remove seat One 10mm bolt in the back. The two side plastics, you can unscrew them at the bottom and pop them off, or just pop them off like I did. 4, I think it was 3mm Allen keys. Takes the front cover off. And then it's two 10mm bolts up there. Pick the gas tank up. Run your cords however you see fit. I'll check back when it's time to do the oil change. After draining is complete, torque drain plug 2 specifications. Replacing crush washer. Remove and replace oil filter. Tighten by hand. Get your beautiful garage partner. Start bike. And check your sight class for your oil level. That's Henthorn's Performance. Thanks for watching. That's how you do a service on a Vulcan 650S. Catch you.